Hello and welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I will be sharing with you some of the plants which will be so green and giving your garden a decorative look. So let's see what are the green plants that you can add to your garden as decorative plants. When you add some green plants among the flowering plants, that will look so wonderful and beautiful. So when talking about green plants, syngonium plants are the best because they are very easy to grow and easy to propagate. Once you bring it down from a nursery, you can make many free plants out of them. So this wonderful plant is an air purifier plant too. So grow this very easily in your home garden with a single stem. So this is a beautiful suggestion, one of the beautiful green plants for your garden. Talking about green plants, you can easily add Erica palm plants. These plants you can get from nursery, and I also got this from a nursery some time back, and now it is in my garden for a long time. These are permanent plants and also best plants for air purification. So add this green plant in your garden. When talking about greens, peace lily are another plant that you can simply grow with bulbs. These plants are flowering plants and also air purification plants, one of the permanent plants and such a wonderful indoor plant. When I use them in my garden as an outdoor plant, this has been decorating my garden as a beautiful green plant. You can simply grow them in pots without any trouble because these plants are also low maintenance and do not keep them in bright location. You can keep them in the semi-shade and you will see them grow in no time because they also you can separate and grow and such a beautiful leafy plant. Aralia plant. This is another wonderful beautiful plant which you can bring from a nursery and put it in a pot, and this will add beauty to your garden because this is also such a green variegated plant and I love this. I have kept it in my entrance in my garden, and this is such a beautiful plant which makes attractive look and also such a gorgeous leaves. You can easily prune this plant and make more free plants because you can simply grow them with stems. Fern plants also you can grow very easily because these plants also grow in the shade. This also you can add to your garden as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. So when you keep it in the outdoor as an outdoor plant, see that it grows in the shade. And this is Chinese evergreen. This is also a beautiful green plant which you can add to your home garden as an outdoor plant and also as a green plant will give beautiful attraction to your garden. Next green plant is lucky bamboo. This plant also you can grow really very easily with a single stem. Propagate it in water or else in soil directly. These plants also permanent plants and also gives your garden a beautiful attractive look because their leaves are variegated, and also this is a feng shui plant. So have these permanent plants in your garden, very easy to grow, low maintenance and also beautifies your garden. These are wonderful green plants to add. When talking about green leaves, we cannot forget beautiful money pothos, one of our favorite plants, and this is such a beauty you can add to your green plants collection as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. So grow this beautiful plant either in a big pot or in hanging baskets, and this is very easy to grow with a single stem. Bring it from a nursery, and once you bring it you can have it in your garden forever. This is such a low maintenance and also one of the shade loving plants. Devil's backbone. This is another green beauty which you can add to your garden. Put them in pots, small pots, and also with stems you can easily grow them. You can have many plants out of them. So keep them in a semi-shady area and you can water them every other day. These plants are low maintenance and also permanent. Varieties of alocasia. This is another beautiful plant to your garden because this is also green and so very easy to maintain and also one of the permanent plants. So they are in various types. You can grow them from bulbs. Once you bring it from a nursery, these are permanent plants, and be careful not to overwater these plants and keep it in a shade. So they are ideal for either as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. This is another beautiful plant for your indoor plants collection. This one if you keep outdoors, keep in a shady area, and also this green plant also adds beauty to our garden. These variegated leaves are really very beautiful. You can keep them indoors or else if you keep them outdoors, keep it in a shady area. So this is another beautiful green plant to your plants collection. So the last one in my list is spider plant, because this plant very famous among YouTubers and also gardeners. This is such a beauty because they are easy to grow and also easy to multiply. They grow from spiderets and easy to propagate. This one plant can add to your garden and add so much of beauty and elegance. So this is another beautiful elegant plant to your plants collection as a green plant, permanent and beautiful and low maintenance. There are many more small plants. Now this is a snowflake plant, and here I have another syngonium plant, and so there are many green plants in my collection. So hope you enjoyed watching the green plants of mine from Tamara's garden. Add these plants to your garden as well to give it a green look. So thanks for watching, thanks for being with me, and also if you are new, consider to subscribe.